Welcome to Joshua's Learning Hub.
Hi everyone. It's since a week ago we planted the sunflowers. And in the previous episode, the first sunflower plant is 2.5 centimeters and the second sunflower plant is 5 millimeters. Now the height is improved. So let's check it out. The first sunflower plant is about 8 centimeters of the stem. This second sunflower is 5 centimeters. Take a look at this. He's so cute, young little dot. It's super tiny. And then when it's too small, then boop, dot just disappeared. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for the notifications. Please tell us your suggestion for the next science videos in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye. A dot is just a one dimension. And it's just the one circle without any. A 2D is the width and the length.